Hi everyone, and thanks for watching this video. Today, I will show you how to create 3D name design images in this video. Let's get started this video. First, open browser and type bing.com. Then click on the image. Now click on Create. Click on Join and Create. Now log into your account. This page will appear after you log in with your email. You may now type your prompt in this area. Copy prompt and paste into prompt bar. You can copy prompt from the description. Now click on Create button. To preview the image, click on it. Try this other prompt as well. Paste the copied prompt into the prompt bar. Now press the Create button. If you would like to save your image, you can download an image without a watermark by just clicking on it. Let me know in the comments section below if you would want to see more videos similar to this one.